today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a grain, image, picture, or photo effect in Pixlr online. If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value. Go to the top left hand of your screen and scroll down until you see Effect, which should be the fifth icon. Have a list of different effects, but scroll down until you see Artsy or the last option. You also have a list of different effects that you can choose from. But in this case, we're going to click the first option, which is Poster. You could even adjust the strength of the effect accordingly. And this is the before. And this is the after.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.